Hey everyone, welcome to the Latin Kitchen. Today we're going to be making a precursor, an ancient precursor to the modern Tuscan summer dish called Panzanella. This is called Sala Cattabia. It is a refreshing bread salad, super simple recipe, 3 sentences long. You're going to need bread, mint, coriander, garlic, water, cheese, honey, and oil. And there are only 3 verbs that are going to be making an appearance in this short recipe. Excavare means to hollow out, think excavate. Second is going to be macerare, think macerate, to soak. And the third is adicere, to add, think adjective, a word that's added onto a noun. First step, panem alexandrinum excavabis in posca. Basically, break apart a loaf of bread that's been soaking in a vinegar and water mixture. Add, adicies, there's that verb, into the mortar, the piper, mel, mentam, allium, coriandrum, viridem, cassium, sale, aquam, oleum. All of the other ingredients into the mortar. Notice they're all in the accusative case, little grammar tip right there. Notice the neuter nouns keeping their form. And last up's going to be the 3 cloves of garlic in there, and mix it all up. A little side note though, you need to have a mortarium, but I don't have one, so anachronistically we're going to be using the mecha mortarium, a mechanical mortar. Anyway, give it a little bit of a mix. I noticed the bread in the original bit there was a bit too soggy, so I added some dry bread in there to kind of even it out in the mix there. And put that all together, and there we are, an Italian bread salad. Breakfast of Caesars. And now, on to the taste test. So, bread salad sounds unfamiliar. Not generally something we're used to, but if you just think about it as bread dipped in flavor, I promise, it's good. It's garlic, it's mint, it's olive oil, it's a little vinegar for a kick, it's Parmesan cheese on top. It's nice. It's very nice. And frankly, I'm going to eat it. I'm going to eat it all. One final little note though before we tuck in. I forgot the last step. In super nivem et inferes. Serve over ice. So there we are. Fortunately it's Canada, so there's always snow on hand. And you got your plating just perfectly. Optime. And of course, quick selfie for posterity. And there we are. Ancient Roman bread salad. Just like great grandma used to make. Thanks for coming. See you next time.